Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create multiple accounts on HelloTalk step by step. Let's get started. First, open the HelloTalk app. If you're currently logged in, tap Me at the bottom right corner and press the gear icon in the top right to open the settings. Go to account and here you'll see your connected email or login method. If you want a completely separate account, the easiest way is to log out first. And after logging out, tap sign up and register using a different email address, Google account or Apple ID. You can also use different login methods like Google, Facebook, or Apple ID to create a separate account. Make sure that each one uses a unique email. Keep in mind that always follow the HelloTalk community guidelines when managing multiple accounts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.